Good morning, junior kindergartners. Good morning, Ren. Good morning, Annabelle. Good morning, Shania. This here is our video for our online math circle time. So we're going to treat it just like as if we were in class. And let's see, how do we usually start our math circle time? Yes, we're all sitting on the carpet. You three are right in front of me, and we each have a 100 square in front of us, just waiting to be counted. But before we start, let us do our math song. Are you ready? It's time for math. It's time for math. It's time for math. It's time for math. M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H, go math. All right, girls, we are ready to start our counting. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that we can look at a 100 square together. Great. Okay, so now you see what I see on my screen. We're at 1 here together. So you hopefully are looking at this on your computer screen as well. If you have an iPad, maybe you can even use your finger to touch the numbers as we count along. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And we'll stop at 50 for now. Excellent job, girls. Great, great, great stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to count backwards. Yes, I think we'll start with that today. So let me unhighlight these things so we don't get confused. And what we're going to do is count backwards from 50 until we get to 1. Now, when we go backwards by 1, the number is getting smaller by 1 each time we go back. When we count upwards, the number is getting bigger by 1 each time. So right now, girls, we're learning all about addition. If I'm at 1 and the number is getting 1 bigger, then I get 2. So it's like saying 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So every time you're going forward, you are jumping forward by 1. Okay, so something to keep in mind for addition. Now, we are going to start at 50 and we're going to jump backwards. So we're going to get smaller by 1 each time we go. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You did it, girls. Wonderful job. Virtual high five. Wow. All right. Now we are going to look at our tens families. Because remember, every time you go across sideways, you come across a different number family. So in this first line, do you remember what these guys are called? That's right, they're called the ones family. The ones family. Now for our next horizontal line, we have a new family. Do you remember what these are called? What family belongs to? That's right, these are the teens. We call them the teens because most of them have the word teen in it. So after 12, we have 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. Okay. Then in the next group, that's interesting. In this group, all the numbers seem to start with the digit 2. Do you remember what this group is called? What this family is called? Excellent. Yes. This is called the 20s family. The 20s family always starts with the 2. Here you have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That's a great way to remember the 20s family. Let's look at our next family. Interesting. This family seems to always start with the number 3. Do you remember what this family is? You got it. That's the 30s family. 30, 30, like 3. It starts with the number 3. And that's a great way to remember the 30s, that it always starts with the number 3. And finally, the last number family we're going to look at today seems to always be starting with a 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Do you remember what this number family is called? Yes, indeed. These are the 40s. That's why it's so fitting that they all start with the number 4. So a good way to remember the 40s is by the fact that they start with the number 4, hence 40s. Great. So we're going to do one more thing now, and that is identifying numbers out of order. Oopsies, how do I reset? That was much easier. Okay, so here, let me pick the color. I'll pick the color blue for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a number, and you're going to have to figure out what number it is. So in class, we usually put our little counting bears on them, and we say, the little honey bear went to 34. So you can pretend that this color is a little counting bear. So I actually gave away the first answer. This number was 34. To help you figure that out, you could realize that this number is in a family that's always starting with the number 3. That must make it the 30s family. So now you know that it's in the 30s, and the second number here tells you what the last part of the number is. So it's 34. All right, let's do another one. What is this number? You got it. What is this number? You got it. How about this one? Great job. How about this one? Great. Let's go a bit higher. This one? This one? What about this one? A few more. This one over here. This one over here. And finally, what is this one over here? So parents, you could pause this at any point and use this 100 square to select different numbers for your child to identify. I'm just going through a few now, just to give you an idea of how you can do it. All right, girls, you've done an excellent job. I'm going to reset this board, close this for now, and I think you are ready to start your math lesson for the day. So as I mentioned in a message, starting off your math lessons with a little number line review or a 100 square review is a great way just to reinforce your number sense and get you nice and warmed up for the lesson to come. So I think you are warmed up and ready to go with your lesson for today. As always, let me know if you have any questions and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye, girls.